My name is Dean Rizov and I'm the Managing Director of Bulgaro. We are a bespoke specialist manufacturer of joinery and upholstery based in Kent. Working with locating Kent, we have managed to treble in size in a really short time. We've been very heavily supported by Kent County Council and Locating Kent, and it made our journey into growing the business an easier one. Kent offers a great portfolio of suppliers, so the supply chain is very well established with great local companies that you can connect and work with who are very professional, work to a very high standard, and Kent has always been one of the counties that had the best manufacturers. What we have here is really unique, working with some of the best and biggest and most famous blue chip companies around the world. I can guarantee you've seen our work.